Hey everybody, it's Jeremy. I'm here in Hutchins, Texas. I'm here with Lisa. And Lisa, what did you just do?
I just went solar.
Awesome. What were the reasons that you've been looking into solar?
Well, I was already sold on it because I had lived overseas and solar energy is so important to so many countries for them to be able to manage their energy needs. So I knew a lot about it and already wanted to do it, but the fact that I've talked to you today, I've learned that my wattage is going to go down, so I'm going to save money simply because I'm going to be using less. The cost of it is $20 less a month or more. And I don't use a lot of energy to begin with because I'm pretty self-efficient anyway, but I'm still saving an extra $20 a month. Plus, when I pay it off, when I pay off the solar panels, I'm going to be in a position where I'm not paying any electric bills at all. So between all of that and the benefits of and just the goodwill of being able to do something about our environment and anticipating inflation and all of those things that are going to happen in the future, I feel like I have saved a ton of money today.
All right, well, thank you so much. So we appreciate you, and thanks for watching, everybody.